numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its units place are divisible by 2. Okay.
Yes.
Numbers
Yes.
having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All even numbers. All
Yes.
even numbers are divisible by 2 and also having 0 in its units place. And by 3, the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. By 4, if the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. By 5, if the units place is 0 or 5, the numbers are divisible by 5. And by 6, the numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 3 are divisible by 6. By 7, double the units place and subtract it from the remaining number. If the difference is 0 or divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. By 8, the last three digits are divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Okay. Some questions can also be asked based on these rules. Okay, I will give that questions also. And by 9, same like 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. 10, a number having 0 in its unit place is divisible by 10. And by 11, the difference between unit places place digits and even place digits is 0 or divisible by 11 is divisible by 11. By 12, and numbers which are divisible by both 3 and 4 are divisible by 12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Today we'll start the topic on numbers. Okay. Here is the question. Okay. A number is as much greater than 62 as much less than 94. Find the number. Okay. What may be the number? The number must lie exactly between, because that number is as much greater than 62 and as much less than 94. So the number must lie between 62 and 94, right? Middle
Yes.
number
78.
of 62 and 94, right?
Yes, sir.
So like for example,
Yes, sir.
uh,
78, sir.
78, right? Right. So there is some procedure. If you follow the procedure, if you have to answer it according to the procedure, it takes time. Okay. For
Yes, sir.
example, if you are going to write the SSA, means now there is no descriptive paper in SSC.
Yes.
If any descriptive paper is there, we should answer in descriptive lengthy. We should present our answer lengthy. Okay. And for example, let the number be x, right? So the number is, and according to the question, x minus 62, sorry, x plus 62 is equal to 94 minus x. 94 minus x, right, is equal to 2x is equal to 94 plus 62 is 158. 158. Then
Yes.
x is equal to 158.
Sir, it's
Right?
156. Right, sir.
156. 156. Right. 156 by 2, right, is equal to 78. 78 is the answer. Or you can directly add 92, 94 and 62 and divide it by 2. Okay.
Yes.
Answer is 7. Right. How
Yes.
many numbers up to 200 are divisible by 14? Direct answer. simply divide 200 by 14. That's it. Whatever the value that arrives at quotient side, that is the answer. Okay. Right.
Approximately 14.
No. Don't take
Uh,
decimals.
it's not
Only
exact.
take exact value.
Yes, 14.
14 only. 14 square is 196.
Yes.
Okay. If you know the squares, you can answer it in seconds. Okay. And 14 square is
Yes.
196. So
6.
196 is the highest value that is divisible below 200. Divisible by 14 below 200. So 14 numbers. 14. Disregard the other values. 14 divided by 14. Right? 14 square is 196.
Yes.
Right. So 14 numbers. Answer is 14 numbers. Right. Next, fifth one, third one. How many three-digit numbers which are divisible by 5? What is the highest value of three-digit?
999.
Right. 999 is the highest value. Is 999 divisible by 5?
No.
No. Because if I have 9, then what numbers are divisible by 5?
Numbers which ending with 0 and 5.
Which ends with 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. So, is 0 is greater or 5 is greater? 5 is greater, right?
5 is great.
5 is greater.
Yes.
So, nine 995. Okay. Then up to 995, up to 995, how many numbers are divisible?
199 numbers.
Right, 199 numbers. 199 numbers. But here they are asking only three-digit numbers. Okay,
Yes.
only
3-digit numbers.
only three-digit, only three-digit. Up to 99 there are one and two-digit numbers, right? Only three-digit
Yes.
numbers is equal to
Total 100.
199 minus
Minus 99.
19. 19.
Oh,
19. Here it contains
yes,
up
yes.
to 19, up to 95. 95 divided by 5 gives 19. So up to 95, 99 numbers are divisible, which are one digit and two digit numbers. One digit and two digit. Right? One digit and two digit numbers. So the answer is 199 minus 19 is 180. So 180 numbers. 180 numbers are divisible by 5. 180 three-digit numbers are divisible by 5. Okay,
Yes.
and sum of two numbers is 80 and the difference is 16. Sum of, let the numbers be x and y. Let the numbers be x and y. Then, according to the question, x plus y is equal to x plus y is equal to 80 and x minus y is equal to 60. Right? Then here y is cancelled. Right? Both y is cancelled. Both y is cancelled. So 2x is equal to 96. Then x is equal to 96 by 2 equal to 48. Right? X is equal to 48. Then y is equal to as x plus y is equal to 80. Right? X plus
Yes, sir.
y minus x. 80 minus
32.
48 is equal to 32. So y is equal to, therefore the numbers are
48 and 32.
48 and 32. Or you can find the value by taking for to find the highest value, you can take the sum of the numbers. Okay, 80 plus 16 is 96. 96 by 2 divided by 2. And to find the smaller value, 80 minus 16. 80 minus 16 and divided by 2. 80 minus 16 is 64. 64 divided by 2, 32. Okay.
Yes.
To find the highest value, take the sum of the two values, 80 plus 16, directly 80. In the question itself, you can do this. 80 plus 16. 80 plus 16, 90. To find the highest value. To find the smaller value, 80 minus 16. Right? Divided by 2. Right?
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 45 more than the first. Find the even number between the last two. Let the smaller be x. Let the smaller number be x. Right? Then the other numbers be x.
3x, 5x, and 7x.
Here they are saying x. Odd number. 4 consecutive odd numbers.
Yes, sir.
X.
3x, 5x, and 7x.
No. Not 3x. 3x means multiply. So that will be every consecutive odd numbers differs by what value?
3 plus.
2.
Yes.
1, 3, 5. It differs by 2.
6 plus 2.
From this number to other number will be 2 greater than the first. And next number,
X plus 5.
x plus 4.
4.
X plus 4. Right? 3 numbers are completed and other is x plus 6.
6.
This is the sum. This is the sum of the numbers. Okay? Is equal to the sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 45 more than the first. What is first number?
X.
X plus
Minus
45 plus 45
yes.
more than x plus 45.
Yes.
What is the sum? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many x are there? 4x.
4x plus 12.
Plus 6. 12. 1, 2, 4, 6, 6, 12. Is equal to x plus 40.
X is equal.
X plus 45.
X is equal to 3.
So 3x is equal to 4x minus x. When x comes this side, That is negative. So
Yes.
3x
Is equal to 33.
equal to 45 minus 12. Right?
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to
11.
x is equal to 11.
Equal to 11.
Right? Then therefore the numbers are
11,
hmm,
13,
right. No. Consecutive. 11, 13,
13.
15, 17.
Yes.
The numbers are 11, 13, 15 and 17. And the
7.
even number between the last two numbers are 15 and 7. The even number
17. Yes.
lies between 15 and 17 is
16.
so
16.
answer is
16.
60. Right. Okay.
Yes.
Right. The difference between the highest and lowest of 5 consecutive numbers is 1/4 of the middle number. Find the lowest. Let the lowest number be x. So according to the
X.
question, then the numbers are
X plus 1. X plus 1.
x.
Plus
Hmm.
X plus 1.
You need not add x plus 1. The numbers are x plus 1 consecutive numbers. So
X. X
every consecutive number differs by what value?
1. 1.
1 only. X plus
2.
and x plus
X plus
3. Right? X
X
plus
plus 4.
these are 5 numbers. So this
Yes, sir.
is the lowest value and x plus 4 is the highest value. X plus 2
Mhm.
is the middle number. Hmm? Middle number.
Yes.
X is the smaller and x plus 4 is the highest and x plus 2 is the middle. So according to the question, the difference between the highest and lowest of 5 consecutive numbers is 1/4 of the middle number. So the difference between x plus 4 minus x is equal to 1/4. Middle number is x plus 2.
Yes. 2.
Middle number is x plus 2. So here we cannot divide x plus 2 by 4. Okay. Even we can divide it,
Yes.
but it takes lengthy procedure. Just instead of dividing x plus 2 by 4, we will multiply this x plus
Resultant
4
value.
minus x by 4. So it gives 4x
16.
minus 16 minus 4 is equal to x plus 2.
Plus
X plus, right?
2.
So 4x is cancelled. It's 4x and 4x is cancelled. So x plus 2, x plus 2 is equal to
16.
16 minus 2. Minus 16 plus 2
Yes.
is equal gives 14.
14.
Yeah, sorry. X plus 2 is equal, sorry.
Sir,
2 is equal to
it's
16, right?
plus 16.
16.
Yes.
Then x is equal to
14.
x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14. So the lowest number is 14. Then the numbers are
Yes.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
16.
Right?
14 is the lowest.
Right. Seventh one. When a number is divided by 45 gives a remainder 22. When the same number is divided by 15, remainder is. This is important question. When a number is divided by 45 gives a remainder 22. When the same number is divided by 15, remainder is. I think you might have this type of questions.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
What is the procedure?
And 45q plus 22 is equal, will be divided by
Right, right,
15,
right, right.
and we get 7 as a resultant
Right.
quotient.
We just need to
Yes.
just leave. First of all, there are two divisors, right? Here,
Yes.
45 is one. 45 and 15 are the two divisors. Okay.
Yes.
Here, and we should check whether this D1, we should assume this 45 as D1 and 15 as D2. D1 must be divisible by D2. Okay, or
Yes.
D2 must be a factor of D1. Okay.
Yes.
See here, D1 is equal to 45.
45.
45. D2 is 15. Okay. Note, they may give another in another way. For example, they may give 44. We cannot solve because 15 is not a factor of 44. They may also give other number. Okay. Not D1, D2. D1 must be a factor of D1. Otherwise, the question is wrong. Okay. Cannot. Here,
Yes.
okay, what you should do is divide 22. Check whether D1 is divisible by D2 or not. If it is divisible by D2, directly go to the remainder. Divide the remainder by the D2. Divide the remainder
Yeah.
by the D2. By D2. Okay. Here.
Okay.
Now, when 22 is divided, 22 divided by 15. What is the remainder?
7.
Remainder is equal to 7. 7 is the answer. Okay, if you know the rule, you can directly solve the question. Just divide the remainder by the D2. Okay. Three numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. Sum of the greatest and smallest is equal to the sum of the middle and 32. Let the numbers be 3x, 4x, 5x. Okay. Let the numbers be 3x, 4x and 5x. According to the question, the sum of the greatest and smallest, which is greatest?
5x is
5.
greatest.
5x.
Hmm.
5x
Yes, sir.
minus
5x plus 3x.
3x. 3x is equal to 4x
4x
plus
plus 32.
32. 4x plus 32.
4x is equal to 32.
2x is equal to, sorry, here.
8x is equal to 4x plus 32.
8x is equal to 4x
4x
plus 32.
plus 32.
So 8x minus 4x is equal to,
4x and remainder is 8.
right, 4x is equal to 32. Right? Then x is equal to,
Yes, 8.
is equal to 8. X is equal to,
Smallest number
therefore the numbers are
24, 32 and 40.
Numbers are 3x is equal to 3, 8. 3 into 8 is 24, 24, 32, 40. The numbers are 24, 32 and 40. Right. Sum of two numbers is 20 and their difference of their squares is 80. Find the numbers. Squares, this is squares. This is different from previous question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This 4 and this question 9th is not same. They are different questions. Sum of two numbers is 20 and difference of their squares is 80.
Yes, sir. I got the answer, sir. X is equal to 12, Y is equal to 8.
Right, very good. Here the rule is x square minus y square is
X
equal
square
to,
minus
to find the sum of the numbers
8.
x square minus y square by x minus y.
X plus Y.
Right. To find the difference between the numbers x square minus y square
And
by x plus y. That's it. Okay. So 12 and 8 is the answer. Correct.
yes.
Here, sum of the squares of two numbers is 208 and difference of their squares is 80.
Difference of squares is 80. Okay.
Sum of the squares of two numbers is 208. Is equal to 208 and x square
Minus Y square is equal to 80.
is equal to 80. Sorry. Minus y square, difference between the squares is 80. Then y square is cancelled, then 2x square is equal to 288.
288.
Then x square is equal to
144. 12. X square is equal to 144.
x square is equal to 288 divided by 2 is equal to 144. Right? 280
Yes, sir.
divided by 2, 144. So x is equal to
X is equal to 12.
x is
Y is
equal
equal to 8.
to root 144. Root 144 is equal to
12.
root 144 is equal to 12. Then y is equal to same procedure.
Y is equal to 8.
Y is equal to, right, y is equal to 8. 208 minus 1
Minus 144.
is equal to 64. And root 64 is equal to 8. Y is equal to y is equal to 8. Right? Root 64 is 8.
Right.
How many digits are used to number a book containing 400 pages? Containing 400 pages. Generally, we have to start with one digit number, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right. So, single digit. How many single digit numbers are there?
Single digit 10.
No. Actually, 10.
Sorry, sir.
But, okay. 10, actually, they are 10 is single digits. But here for
9.
depending we start with 1. So there are 9. So each
9.
consists of one digit.
Single 9.
Consists of
2 digits.
so how many digits? Up to 9 there are 9 and 2 digits.
90.
90. Make a small change here.
10 to
Okay, make
99.
small this change. Okay, 2 digit number 2 into 99 is the highest value.
Yes, sir.
Highest value of 2 digit number. So 99 minus 9. So as to not to get confused, take the difference of the highest values. 99
Yes.
minus 9 is 90. Right? 2 into 90 is
180.
180.
Right.
Next 3 digit numbers.
300. 300 into 3. 900.
400
Uh,
minus
100.
90. 400 minus 99. How many numbers are there? 9 and 90. 99 numbers. Right?
Yes, sir.
400 minus 99.
300.
Not 99. 301.
301.
Here we generally commit mistake. Here 301 numbers are there. From 10 to 20, how many numbers are there? From 10 to 20.
10 to 20. 21.
No. 10 to 20.
20 minus 10 plus 1.
All right.
11.
11. We should include 10 also. Including
Yes, sir.
20, there are 11 numbers. Okay.
Yes.
In this way only they try to confuse you. Okay. So 903. How many digits are used? 903.
3.
Okay. So what is the sum?
1092.
Digits. Sum of the digits. Is the sum? Nine 3 12, right?
Yes, sir.
12. And 1 is carried. 8 1, 8 plus 1 9. Right?
9.
9 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1092 digits are used. 1092 digits are used to number a book containing 400 pages. Okay?
Yes.
Right. Same question, similar to above. A person has to type the numbers up from 1 to 1000. How many times does he press the keys of the typewriters? Single digit, 1 into 9 equal to 9, and 2 digit. How many 2 digit numbers are there? There are 90.
90.
2 into 99. 2 into 90. 2 into 90. 180. 3 digit. 3 into how many numbers? How many 3-digit numbers are there?
900.
Mm-hmm.
999, 100, 99.
999 minus 99 is 900. 900. 3 into 900 is
2700.
right. Then the number that is left is 4-digit number.
1000.
How many 4-digit numbers are there here in this case?
4.
Hmm?
4. 4.
No. How
1000.
many? Only one. 1000. 1000
Yes.
is the least 4-digit number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only one. 4-digit. 4 into 1. So how many digits are there? 4.
4.
Right. We'll take the sum of the digits. What is the sum?
2893.
2893.
93.
289. Right. Sum of the digits is 2893. So the typewriter has to type press the keys of the typewriter for 2893 times. Right. Then the difference between the two numbers is 5 and the difference of their squares is 225. Same question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the answer is 225 divided by 5. One is 45. Right.
1 is 25.
Right. Okay. So the
20
numbers
and
are
25.
20 and 25. Same procedure.
Yes, sir.
The numbers are 20. The sum is 45.
45. Yes, sir.
The numbers are 25 and 20. Okay. 14. A worker was engaged for 20 days and he paid rupees 10 for every day he works, and he fined rupees 2 for each day he absent. He got rupees 140 in all. Find how many days he was absent. Okay. Had would have received how much amount had he worked for all the days?
200.
20 into 10.
10, 200.
200. But actually received amount is
140.
actually received amount is rupees 140. Then what is the difference?
60.
Difference is rupees
60.
60. Okay. For every day he absent, how much amount he lost?
2 rupees.
No.
20. 3 days.
On absent day is equal to rupees 10, which is salary, right?
Oh,
Which is salary plus rupees
2 rupees.
2, which is fine. For every day, he loses
12.
how much amount? Rupees 12 per day. Rupees 12 per day, right? So, how much he lost in total?
60 rupees.
Number of days of absent is equal to
5
different
days.
amount, that is 60. 60
By
divided
12.
by, for every day he loses 12 rupees,
12
right?
rupees.
Is equal to 12 divided by, 60 divided by 12 is equal to 5 days.
5,
It was absent for 5 days.
5 days.
Even same procedure can be applied for the negative marks also. Here we are going to discuss in 16th question. This is also same question. So here we need not to take it. Here just take 240 into 10. The last amount is 24 into 15. What is 24 into 15?
240, 24 plus.
And he
Right.
received rupees 288, right?
Yes.
Minus 288. What is the difference?
12.
Difference amount.
240.
360. 360. 24 into 15 is 360.
64.
360 minus
72.
288 is equal to 72.
72.
72. So last amount on absent
80.
is equal to rupees
4 days.
15 is
Plus
salary
3.
plus rupees 3, which is 5. So in total you losses rupees
18
18
rupees.
per day. 18 per day. So in total he has lost 72 rupees. So number of the days of absent
4.
72 divided by 18 is
4.
equal to 4 days, right? It was
Yes.
absent for 4 days.
4 days.
This is important question, right? In an aptitude test of 100 marks, a negative mark of 1/4 for each wrong answer is deducted. In this examination, a candidate has got 75 marks. Then find how many marks were correctly answered by the candidate if he has attempted all the questions. Assuming that he has attempted all the questions, and each one mark carries one question carries 1 mark.
1.
Okay, so what are total marks?
100.
Maximum marks.
100.
Total marks are 100. Marks obtained by the candidate is
75.
75. Then what is the difference?
25 marks.
Difference. The
So,
candidate has got 25 marks less than the
maximum marks.
right? 100 minus 75. The candidate has got 25 marks less than the maximum marks. So for every wrong answer, the candidate loses
1/4.
loses how many marks? 1 mark plus 0.25. 1/4 is 0.25. 0.25 mark. 1/4 mark is 0.25 mark, which is negative. In total, the candidate loses how many? 1 point. For every wrong choice, the candidate loses 1.25 mark. So the candidate, in total, the candidate has lost how many marks?
25 marks.
Wrong answers. The candidate has lost 25 divided by 1.25. 25 divided by 1.25 is equal to 20. 25 divided by 1.25. Okay. Right. 20
Wrong answers.
has marked 20 marks. Has marked 20 wrong.
20.
So correct answers are
80.
100 minus is equal to 80. Okay. Right. 80 answers. Right. In a group, there are equal number of men and camels. Half of the men travel on the camels and rest by walk. The total number of legs on the ground is 200. Find the number of men. This is also important. In a group, there are equal number of men and camels. Half of men are traveling on the camels and rest by walk. If the total number of legs on the ground is 200, find the number of men. Men to camels. What is the ratio? In number, what is the ratio?
2:4.
No.
1:2.
Number. There are equal number of men and camels.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they are giving the information. There are equal number wise they are equal. So they are in what ratio?
1:1.
Camels. They are in 1:1 ratio. They are in 1:1 ratio.
1:2.
Then what is the ratio of legs?
2:4. 1:2.
Normal men are normal ratio of legs. This is the ratio of legs. Is what is the ratio of legs? A normal man consists of how many legs? 2. And camel?
4.
Camel consists of 4. What is the ratio here?
2:4.
Actually, the actual ratio is
1:2.
the actual ratio is 1:2. Actual ratio is 1:2. Further, we can divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Actual ratio is 1:2. And but legs are on the ground. Legs on the ground, what is the ratio? What is the ratio? As half of the men are traveling on the camels, right? For example, let men and camel. For example, there are 2 men and 2 camels, equal number.
Yes.
How many legs are there?
4, 2 and
Total number
4.
of legs. Men's legs, there are 4 legs of men, and each camel consists of 4 legs, so 8.
8.
And if half of the men are traveling on the camels, means one man is traveling on the camels. So how many legs will be there on the ground?
Same.
Legs on ground. Only one person is walking. So there are 2 legs of man and 8 legs of the camels, right? As one person is walking on the ground and another person is traveling on the camel, right? Only person is on the ground. So legs of man are 2 and camel are 8. So they are in what ratio?
1:4.
1:4, right? They are in 1:4. In total, how many legs are there on the ground? There are 200 legs.
2.
There are 200 legs, right? So legs on the ground is in what ratio? They are in 1.
1.
They are in 1:4 ratio. Total legs, what are total legs?
200.
Total legs are 200. So we can find anyone. Legs of camels. To find the legs of camels, what we should do? 200.
4/5 into 200
No.
into 4/5.
You can do it. To find that, as the ratio of camels is 4, right? 4/5
2. 5.
is equal to 160.
160.
4/5 of 200 is 160. So number of camels is
1/4. 40.
number of camels is equal to 40. 160.
40
As
by 4.
camel consists of 4 legs. 160 divided by 4 is equal to 40.
40.
40 numbers. So as is equal to number of camels. So therefore the number of men are also equal. So men is equal to 40. Men are also is equal to 40, right?
Yes.
In a group there are some birds and animals. If legs are counted, they are 210. If heads are counted, there are 65. Find the number of animals. If heads are counted, they are 65. You can solve this. Let the birds
Yes, sir.
be X, animals be Y, right? According to the question, heads, as each where it is a bird or animal, it contains only one head, right?
1.
X plus Y. X plus Y is equal to heads
60.
is equal to 65.
65.
Then legs as each bird consists of 2 legs, right? 2x.
2.
Each animal consists of 4 legs. 2x plus 4y, right? Is equal to
Yes. 4.
how many legs are there? In total, there are 210, right? So
Okay, sir.
to equalize, we should add, we should multiply with 2, right? Right. So it gives what value?
40. Y equal to 40.
Right.
X is equal to
2x x plus 2y is equal to 130, right? And
yes.
minus, you should subtract it, minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 210. 2x plus 4y is equal to 210. So 2x is cancelled. So 2x is cancelled. So 2y is equal to
80.
2y is equal to 80. Then y is equal to
40.
40. Y is equal to 40. So therefore number of animals equal to 40. Then birds
25.
is equal to 25. Okay. Or you can directly solve this. Here, how many legs are there? In total, there are 210, right?
10. No.
Then 210, just what you need to do is 210, find the animals. Animals, total legs minus 2 into number of heads. That's it. 210 minus 2 into 65. 65 divided by, that gives what value?
80.
80. 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. Number of animals is 40. You can directly solve like this. 210 minus 2 into 65. Here, while calculating this, multiplying the heads by 2, legs of all the legs of birds and only 2 legs of animals are taken into account. Okay, the remaining legs
Yes.
are belong to animals only. Okay, the left are belong to animals only. So still we have to count 2 legs. So 80 by 2, which are belong to animals, right? So 40 is the answer. So animals are 40 and birds are 20.
25.
Okay. A piece of road is 2 kilometers and we have to supply some lamp posts, one post at each end, and distance between the 2 consecutive lamp posts is 50 meters. Find the number of posts required. Just convert this 2 kilometers into meters. 2 kilometers is equal to
2000 meters.
2000 meters.
Meters.
2000 meters. What is the frequency?
40.
50.
Huh.
The lamppost should be placed at every 50 meters. Okay.
Hmm.
So number of lampposts required is
40.
number of lampposts required is equal to what we should do? 2000
2000 by 50.
divided by
By 50.
50
50.
plus 1. Okay. Is equal to 40 plus 1 is equal to 41 lampposts are required. Why? Because, for example, there is a road. Okay. There is a road of 30 meters. Okay. You have to place lampposts at each end and at every 10 meters. So first lamppost should be placed here, and second after 10 meters, and third after 20 meters, and fourth will be at 30, right?
50.
How many lampposts are there? For 30 meters, here we are placing after every 10
4.
meters. Okay, so 30 divided by 10, that gives 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4.
4.
Okay.
Okay.
Question is very simple, but we generally commit mistake. Okay. So number of lampposts required are 41 lampposts. Okay. Be careful here
Okay.
in this type of questions. Okay. Then
Okay.
2/3 of 4/5 of 3/4 of a number is 60. Find the number. 2/3 of 4/5 of 3/4 of a number. Just you write 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. It was a fraction. 5 by 4 into 4 by 3. Here 4 is cancelled, 3 is cancelled. Right? Here this gives 2/5 is equal to 60.
64.
250 is equal to 60. Then the number is, when in other way also this question can be as when 2/5 of a number is equal to 60, then the number is, when 2/5 of a number is equal to 60, then the number is,
150.
then the number is 60. And again reverse the fraction. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to 150. Answer is, then the number is 150.
150.
Right? Same question. Three-fourth of a number is 60. Then the number is,
3.
60 into 4 by 3.
3.
60 into 4 by 3. Just
4.
reverse the fraction.
Yes.
60 divided by 3 gives 20.
20.
20 into 4 is 80.
80.
80 is the answer. So 3/4. 3/4 of 80. 3/4 of 80 is equal to 80 into 3 by
4.
4. Right? 4 20s. 20 into 3 is
60.
60. And 3/4 of a number is equal to 60. Then the number is 60 into, reverse the fraction, 4 by 3, right? 3 20s, 20 into 4 is equal to 80.
80.
Right? Then 2/5 of A is 3/4 of B. Find the value of A if B is equal to 80. A fraction 2/5 can be expressed in percentage as what percent? 2/5 is equal to what percent?
40%.
Right. And 3/4 is equal to
75%.
3/4 is equal to 75%. So here percentage wise they are expressed percentage wise A is to B. A is to B is equal to 40
Is to
40% of A is equal to 75
75% of
75% percent 75% of B. So they are in what ratio? 45 to 75. 40 to 75. In what ratio?
8 is to 15.
Hmm? Ah, 5.
8 is to
5.
15.
Yeah, it's 8 is to 15. They are in
15.
8 is to 15 ratio. 8 is to 15 ratio. Then the value, what will be the value? Value
8
ratio.
is to
Value wise, A is to B. Value of A is to B will be in what ratio? Percentage wise, they are in 8 is to 15. Reverse it. Okay. Okay. Just reverse the fraction. There will be
oh,
inverse ratio. 15 is to 8. Just reverse the ratio. 15 is to 8. If two numbers are compared with percentage, when two numbers are expressed in percentages, okay, they will be in
okay.
inverse ratio. Okay. If there are two or more numbers, the value of the numbers will be in what ratio? Will be if
In the
there are
reverse ratio.
more than two numbers, or even you can take two or more, they will be in their reciprocals. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Even the same rule is applied in time and work and time and distance also. Time and work and time and distance also. Right? Okay. So 8 is to, no sorry, 15 is to 8. A is to B is equal to 15 is to 8. So what is B here?
B is 80.
Okay. So A is equal to, what is the ratio of B? Value of B is given, right?
Yes, sir.
80 by 8 into what is the ratio of A? A value is 15 units. Considering A value as 15 units, B value as 8 units. So 8 units, when 8 units is equal to 80, then 15 units is equal to 8 divided by 8 into 15. 8 divided by 8 gives 10. 10 into 15 is equal to 150. So A is to B there. So A is equal to 150, B is equal to 80. Right? The value of A is equal to 80. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Huh.
the audio got disconnected.
Okay. So can
No, it's okay, sir.
okay. A is equal to 150. Right. Here, the difference between 3/5 of A is between, actually question is wrong. 3/5 of A is 20 more than B. Actually, the question should be 3/5 of A is 20 more than 4/5 of B. Okay. Then B is equal to 3/5 of A is 20 more than 4/5 of B. Right. So difference between 3/5 and 4/5 is
1 5.
minus 4 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5, 150. Right? 1 by 5, 1
Yes,
by 5. 150 is equal to what is the difference? In fraction,
20.
fraction was, fraction difference is 150. That is equal to 20. Right? So 1/5 of A is equal to 20. In other words, we can say 1/5 of A is
Equal to
equal to
100.
20, or 1/5 of A is equal to 20.
20.
1/5 of A is equal to 20. So A is equal to, then A is equal to
100. 100.
A is equal to 100. So what is 3/5? 3/5 of A
60. 60.
is equal to 60. So B, so 4/5 of B is,
80.
no. 4/5 of B is equal to 3/5 of A is 20 more than 4/5 of B. So 4/5 of B is the difference between 60 minus 20. 20 more than the 4/5 of B. So 60 minus 20. So therefore 4/5 of B is 40. 4/5 of B is 40. So value of B is equal to, when 4/5 of a number is equal to 40, then the number is, so B is equal to 40 into, reverse the fraction, 5 by 4 is equal to 50. B is equal to 50. Right?
Yes.
Okay. A boy was asked to multiply a number by 3/4, but by mistake he multiplied it by 4 by 3. The student got 21 more than the correct answer. Then the number is. In many examinations, this question is asked. A boy was asked to multiply a number by 3/4, but by mistake he multiplied it by 4 by 3. The student got 21 more than the correct answer. Then the number is. So let the number be, x. So 3 by 4 x minus, reverse the fraction, 4 by 3. Sorry, 4 by 3. Sorry. Same, take the same fraction, 4 by 3.
3. x
is equal to difference between 3 4 times 4 by 3 equal to
36, sir.
21.
Hmm.
What is the LCM?
12.
LCM is 12. So what is LCM? LCM is so here the LCM is, when the LCM is 12, so 12 divided by 4 gives what value?
9.
3. 12 divided by 4 gives 3. 3 into 3 is 9,
Yes.
right?
9.
9x. 9x minus 12 divided by 3 gives
4.
4. 4 4 the
16x.
16.
16x.
16x, right, is equal to
21.
right, is
Right.
equal to 21. Difference is 21, right?
21.
Difference is
Yes.
so 9x minus 16x is, here
7x.
we need not to take negative, just take it 7x. Here we are taking only difference. Okay,
Yes.
7x is equal
Yes.
to 121 into 12.
12.
Cross multiplies 21 into,
Yes.
right?
12.
So 7x is equal to,
36.
need not to
X is equal
multiply
to
this.
36.
Need not to take the need not to multiply 21. Need not to multiply 21 into 12. Just divide x is equal to divide 21 by 7. That gives 3. Directly divide 21 by 7 into 12.
36.
Right? Answer is 36. Right? So the value of the number is, so here what least number must be added to? Same question was asked in the SI preliminary examination. Right? In the SI preliminary, what least number must be added to 2000 to make it exactly divisible by 19? Right? In SI prelims, right? But it is
Yes.
different. At least what least number must be added to 1875 to make it a perfect square? What is the square root of 1875?
Mm,
It doesn't give a perfect square. 1875 is not a perfect square. Okay. If you take the nearest value,
Fine.
square root of 1875 is greater than, will be greater than 44 square. Okay. Actually, it gives 1875, that is 43, sorry, that is greater than the perfect square of 43. 43 square, that is greater than 43 square. So the next perfect square will be, you should see the next perfect square. What is the next perfect square? That
1936.
44, that is 44 square, right?
Yes, sir.
What is 44 square?
1936.
44 square is 1936. 44 square is 1936. Then what is the difference? 19,
61.
no, 19, 36
36.
minus 18, 75
75.
is 61.
61.
Right? So
Yes.
61 is to be added. What each number must be added to 1875 to make it a perfect square? So difference from 1875 to 1936 is 61. So 61 is to be
61.
added. Then this is also same. How many perfect squares are there up to 2000, 1800, 3000? Up to 2000, just take the square roots of the 2000, 1800 and 3000. How many perfect squares are there up to 2000? As it has given 1936, there won't be any perfect square up to 2000. So for the first one,
44.
44 only. 44. Okay. Second one,
1600 about 1 square.
1800, 1875. Up to 1875, there are 43.
Yes, sir. 43.
42 only. Just take 18 square root of 1800. Okay. Take square root of 1800 and round it off to 42. So there will be 42. For second one, 42. And third,
More than 50. 50,
3,000.
50 square. 2500.
54.
54.
54 perfect squares. Okay.
Okay.
Here we have practice questions also. Practice these questions, and these
Okay,
are
sir.
different from these topics. Okay. All these are different. What is the reminder when is d is divided by 15, where d is equal to 31 into 32 into 33. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Different. Try to solve this. I will explain this. Okay. This is for
Sure, sir.
practice. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, Ajay. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Good night, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Good night.